Hi guys, welcome back. Today I made Apollo 11 landing module. This sent in 1975. This is hard to make. I have please click subscribe and like it. Now let's see. The first and last time it crashed. Battery got used and I tried another time. It also failed. And now it also failed. Now it gets succeeded. It will rotate around the surface where I attach auto landing so that it can find automatically on the ground whether there is some obstacles or not. Okay, thank you for